Pass to Leonard. Leonard for 3. Leonard Amarante. Nice back wall by Hernandez. Jumper in and out, in again. This jumper short. Offensive rebound by the guys. Santa, Baba Santa lays it in. Nice handoff. Lawas with the free throw line. 3 on 2. Bonjean. He gets the basket. 3 games possession, he fires a 3. Alamos 3. Another turnover. This time, Baba Santa finishes. 99, Rogelio. Jumper's good. Off the pick. To the open Hernandez. Finally, Red. Malapos on the spin, the clutch, and the basket for Malapos. 1-on-1 transition, and Malapos again on the basket. 2. Hernandez. Hernandez 3.
Buzzer beater.
Hernandez fakes. Hernandez drive. Hernandez score. He's to the trailer. Colico. It's back to the loose ball. Hernandez. Trailer Colico. Nice patience by Dick Payne by Granada. Bawasana to Baya. Fires. And in the game, playing with 1. Hernandez for 3. Hernandez. Here comes Escasura. And finally, Alvarez make a salva po. Sayang yun. Kaya 2 points na sa kabila for Baba Santa. And Japoy is Palabos on the follow. Right place and right time for open to the goal. What a block by Palabos. Back to the block. What a terrible king. Gets the kabila. Baya on the move. Baya. Difficult shot. Somewhere. Rogelio back to Bonjean. Bonjean running, firing, and scoring. Tatoy ni Leonard sa 2-on-1 transition. Yan ang easy pass. For the loose ball, but he loses up. Here comes Baba Santa. Bonjean, baseline, jumper's good. Baba Santa to Baya. Baya on the jump step. Another one. Inside team. Back to Lebre. Block by Malapos. Villabona gets the foot back. 10 seconds. 3 seconds.